Hello, my lovely subscribers. I hope you all are doing fine. And today I wanted to make a very quick video showing you guys the new junk journal insert that I made for myself, and I'm super proud of it. And it's a very simple journal to make. Anybody with some scraps of paper, a stapler, could make this. So I've made this insert consisting of about 12 pages, so it makes up for roughly 24 sheets of paper, um, which I can maybe use for a month. In fact, I am planning to use this insert for the journaling prompts by 49 Dragonflies for the autumn prompts, and I wish to cover as many prompts as possible in this insert of mine. This insert is made to fit a regular traveler's notebook, and I made sure that it slides inside the traveler's notebook, and that is it. So without any further ado, let's just get started. So the first front cover I made using a thick cardstock paper from a vintage paper pad, and then I added the pages using various kinds of paper, especially going with the botanical theme as well as very neutral and beige colors. So as you can see, the first page is my favorite poppy flower, and this is from a botanical book page, and I wanted this to be the first page because it is so lovely to see this the first thing that you open your journal, and it just sparks more creativity in me. Then comes the second page. This is just again a regular 8 by 8 page which I have folded into half and used. So but this was a paper pad which only had print on one side and it was blank on the other. So probably it's also a good idea to include these kind of papers because this will give us a lot of journaling space, as well as be more creative with embellishments and add-ons. Maybe you could add a tuck spot, tags, whatever we may wish to. Also, this is a journal that I made just a while ago, maybe an hour ago. So I haven't added any kind of embellishments as of now, but I wish to add them as I go along the process of doing the prompts, and I can't wish to see how this entire journal will turn out by the end of the month. Then next I've added a smaller book page. This is again a very vintage newspaper kind of print. This was a smaller paper pad, that is why when I folded it into half it just could fit in this area, but that also adds a bit of variation in the pages and gives that whole journal a very junk journal style. Then this is again the paper from the paper pad which has some kind of vintage clock and prints. As you can see, most of the papers are of the neutral kind because I didn't want anything too bright. Then there's again a botanical page. Then this is again a vintage sheet which is double sided, which again I was thinking we could either make it into a tuck spot if I glue the two ends, or it could be a pocket if I glue the other two ends and leave this side open. I'll see as we go about journaling that how I would like to convert this page, and for now it is just there without anything on it. I haven't glued any pages yet except for the center staple pins, which are just the basic stapler pins that you use for your regular stationery, and I have reinforced the spine with just a washi. So yeah, I was at this spot, and then this page is again a decoupage paper but I really love the print of it, so I added this paper as well. This is again another page from a paper pad, and this is a page from a bird journal. Similar pages, all belonging to the vintage kind. This had some lovely print on it. So one good thing about using pages from a paper pack would be it sticks to one theme, as well as you could choose the color scheme that you want to go for, because the each paper pack will usually have a certain color scheme, so it won't be difficult to keep up with the scheme and make your journal look very put together. So this is again the same repeat of the sheets that I have added in the front, and this is the smaller paper, this is a botanical paper, and again there is a poppy in the end, which I really wanted it to be my front as well as my back cover, and I just love the final look of this entire insert. I can't wait to start embellishing it. I want to add some tags, I want to add some paper clips and lots of ephemera inside, so that it could just give it that nice little look. This is a tag that I had made way long ago, and I just kept it inside right now. So yeah, this is the insert, guys. Do let me know how you found this, and also let me know if you want me to make a tutorial on how to do this journal. It is very simple, but still, if you want me to do one, I will love to do so. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Take care.